Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of rotational motion. The question is, find the position of center of mass of T-shaped plate from O. So now in this question, we have to measure the result from O. I have taken C1 and C2. Horizontal plate, the center of mass is at C2, and for vertical plate, center of mass is at C1. So the coordinates of C1 will be 0, 1, and the coordinates of C2, since the horizontal plate is having thickness 2 meter, so half of that is 1 meter. So the y value is 1 meter, and for C2, x value is 0 because we will consider the line passing from O as y axis, and C1 will be, for vertical plate, the center will be at 3 meter, 3 plus top 2 value 5 meter. So 5. So these are the coordinates of C1 and C2. Now since mass per unit area is constant, mass per unit area is equals to constant, say equals to sigma. If m1 is the mass of horizontal plate and m2 is the mass of vertical plate, therefore area ABCD is equals to 8 into 2, that is equals to 16 meter square, and area EFGH is equals to 6 into 2, that is equals to 12 meter square. Therefore, M1 will be equals to 16 sigma and M2 will be equals to 12 sigma. Now we'll see the solution for this. The coordinates of center of mass, the x value will be 0 because the coordinates of x for both C1 and C2 are 0, and for y value it will be m1 y1 plus m2 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. So now we put the values here. We get y is equals to m1 is 16 sigma into y1 is 1 plus 12 sigma into y2 is 5 divided by 16 sigma plus 12 sigma, that gives you 16 sigma plus 60 sigma divided by 28 sigma, that comes out to be 76 upon 28. Sigma will get cancelled out, so that is equals to 76 upon 28. 76 upon 28, that comes out to be 2.71 meter. So the coordinates of center mass, therefore the coordinates of center of mass is equals to 0, 2.71 meter. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.